Hey friends, welcome to Design Guy. Ready to make eye-catching gradient text boxes with awesome curved shadows in Canva? Click Create, select Custom Size, and enter 300 by 300 pixels. Open Element and type Rectangle keyword. Add this shape here. Resize the image to your desired size. Next, add the text. Change the font to Anton. Enter your text here. Apply a gradient to the text box background. Change the text color to white. Press Ctrl plus A. Then choose the white color. Change the text color to white. Then select the text box and choose a gradient color. Let's use this example. Click Share, then select Download to save the file. Increase size, then click the Download button. Next, delete the text in Gradient text box. Then select the Gradient image text box. Resize the image by dragging the edge of the text box. Navigate to the tool. Try removing the background using the Removal feature, then proceed to the next step. Click Edit, find Shadows, click See All, and select the Shadows option to use. To add a curved shadow to the text box, select the Shadow option. The shadow will curve automatically. Click Edit to adjust the curve as needed for your desired effect. Adjust the curve, distance, and remove the blur amount as needed. Adjust the shadow intensity to your preference. Click Share, then select Download to save the file. Select the Transpire platform for a small download. Now you know how to create gradient text boxes with curved shadows in Canva-like, and subscribe for more easy design tips.